Morning everyone, today I'm going to show how to make a delicious strawberry and banana smoothie. It's very easy to make and has only 4 ingredients. First is 1 cup of strawberries, next is 1 banana and 2 glasses of milk. I also like to add 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. The first step is adding the frozen strawberries into the blender with the banana. Then add 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. I'm using 2 glasses of milk this time to get a thinner smoothie. Blend for 1 minute. Pour into a glass and taste it. Delicious! I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Hope you all have a nice day. Bye bye.